Have you ever wanted to make some really cool graphics or maybe fix up some old photos, but you just felt totally lost with all the complicated software out there? Well, today we're going to look at a tool that's kind of like a creative Swiss Army knife for, well, everyone. It's called Hotpot AI. I mean, we've all been there, right? You've got this amazing idea for a logo, or you find this incredible old family picture that's been through a lot. You want to make it look great, but then you hit that wall. Who has the time to learn something like Photoshop, not to mention the cost? It can be a real roadblock.
And that's exactly where Hotpot AI steps in. It's a whole collection of AI-powered tools that just live in your web browser. And the key thing here is it's built for people who aren't designers. So think of it as your own creative sidekick, ready to jump in and get the job done fast.
To really see how powerful this thing is, let's start with what's probably its most popular feature. I like to call it the magic trick, bringing old photographs back to life.
Just look at this. Seriously. On the left, you've got this beautiful old memory, but it's faded, it's got scratches, it's blurry. And on the right, wow, that's the Hotpot AI result. The scratches are just gone. The faces are sharp, the clarity is back. It's almost like you're looking at the original moment.
And here's the best part. It is so ridiculously simple. You don't need to know anything about photo editing. You just upload your picture, click a little button that says Scratch Repair, and the AI does all the heavy lifting. A few seconds later, you can download a photo that looks amazing. That's it.
But Hotpot AI is way more than just a photo fixer. We've seen how it can rewind time, but now let's jump into its creative playground and see how you can use it to build something totally new.
Yeah, this thing is packed. You've got an AI art generator that can literally turn your words into pictures. Need to cut something out of a photo? The background remover is a lifesaver. It can even take old black and white photos and add color. And for any indie developers out there, it can even help you create things like icons and game assets. And just like the photo restoration, making AI art is an absolute breeze. All you need is an idea. You just type in what you're thinking, like, say, a cyberpunk cat. Pick a style you like, and boom, the AI just goes to work. It's a really fun way to let your imagination run wild without needing to be an artist. Okay, so with all these cool features, you're probably wondering, what's the catch? How much does it cost? So let's get into the nitty-gritty and break down how Hotpot's credit system actually works. Instead of locking you into a monthly subscription, Hotpot mostly uses a pay-as-you-go system. You can just buy a pack of credits. For example, 1,000 credits will run you about $10. Then you just use those credits for different things. It's actually perfect if you don't need to use it every single day.
Now, there is a free option, but you gotta know the limitations. Free images are lower resolution, they might have a watermark, and it can take a little longer. But look at that last row. That's the big one, the commercial license. And this is where you really need to pay attention.
Let's just call this the licensing trap, because this is the #1 mistake people make with these AI tools. And getting this right is crucial if you plan to use your creations for anything other than just for fun. This quote says it all. Crystal clear. If you use the free version, you don't have the rights to use your creations for commercial purposes. So what does that mean? It's basically anything you do to make money, selling a product, putting it on your business's website, anything like that.
So let's break it down. Are you just fixing an old photo of your grandpa to put in a family album? You're totally fine with the free version. But are you designing a cool graphic for a t-shirt that you're going to sell online? Well, then you have to use the paid version to get that commercial license. Here's the golden rule. If you're going to profit from it, you got to pay for it. Simple as that.
Okay, so when you put it all together, the features, the price, the super important licensing stuff, who is Hotpot AI really for? Who's going to get the most out of this thing? Well, it's a game changer for small business owners who just need to quickly clean up a product photo. It's a lifesaver for indie game devs on a budget. It's perfect for social media managers who are constantly creating new content. And of course, it's for literally anyone who wants to dive into an old shoebox of photos and bring those memories back to life. But I want to leave you with one last thing to chew on, especially about photo restoration. You see, when a photo is really blurry, the AI can't just sharpen it. It has to guess. It has to fill in the blanks where the details are totally gone. So it's not just enhancing a memory. In a way, it's creating one. And that brings up a really fascinating question, doesn't it? When an AI fixes a blurry photo of a great-grandparent you never met, is it actually restoring that person for you, or is it creating a whole new, slightly fictional version of them? It's definitely something to think about as this kind of tech gets more and more woven into our lives.